Hi everyone, this is Anjali from Jaipur and how are you today? I hope you are doing great. So today it is my second day of English journey. So I will tell you something new today and how did I start my English journey and what happened with me. That's why I'm standing in front of camera and speaking English. So yeah, first of all, I want to share my introduction. So he is my brother, and he is filling a manger. A manger. You can see he is filling a manger, and with bucket. Okay. So I am standing in our yard, and there are many animals. We have we have three type of animals. You can see. Okay. So come over there, come with me. And he is my brother, and he is very lovely brother, and he is youngest than me, and I am elder than my every siblings, and I have five siblings, and we are standing in our yard, and a gentle wind is blowing very beautifully. So yeah, I'm standing over there, and my brother is smiling too. He is feeling like this. He is feeling shy in front of camera, but he is a very simple boy, that I would say, because he is very kind. Whatever I tell him, whatever whenever I am in trouble, suppose, and I say my brother, please help me. He just is ready to help me. So he is very gentle. How do you feel in front of camera? Great. How do you feel? He can't speak English, and he is not able to speak English because he don't know what is English. But any other chore, any other homework, animal work, very intelligent them work. And we have a buffalo. Buffalo, come over there. Hi, how are you? This buffalo is very black. He has two horn. Buffalo has two horn, and we have two young buffalo more, and we don't have elder buffalo, we have young buffalo. You can see. Okay, buffalo want a lot of water. Buffalo love a lot of water, but cow is not love water. Cow is afraid from water. So right now I'm standing outside, and my brother is over there. You can say he is doing buffalo's work, and he is very happy and very young boy. I love he is very gentle. We are taking a lot of joy because weather is very cloud, and we feel like this that oh, it's mountain area, because I think that mountain area is very peaceful in this time. So that's why I'm saying like this. Where? Where are you going? Where? What did you do this bucket?